Hi everyone, this is Mary and another video tutorial that I want to share with you, and it is about how we approve bills to post to your accounting system. So I have uploaded bills here, and before posting you may edit your bills like this one. So you may change the account. Also you may put some description or put some tracing here in your invoice number or anything you want to edit here, and just save changes. And to post your bills in your accounting system, just click the icon and click the tab 4. Or if you want to select all, just click approve and click tab 4, and it's ready to post. That's how easy and user-friendly the Cosmic Bills is. So start trying and subscribe in Cosmic Bills to make your business life easier. Thank you.